Alzheimer's, a type of dementia, affects many portions of the brain, causing problems with cognitive functions such as memory, thinking, behavior, and motor functions. Over time, the symptoms get progressively worse, eventually resulting in death. Alzheimer's typically affects those in the older population, with the majority of people being 65 or older. However, Alzheimer's can occur in those who are 40 to 50. Many portions of the brain are affected by Alzheimer's, including the amygdala, brainstem, frontal lobe, hippocampus, parietal lobe, and temporal lobe. The limbic system, including the amygdala, is the center of emotions within the brain. Due to Alzheimer's, the result is emotional instability, including spurts of anger, anxiety, and paranoia. The CT scan of an Alzheimer's brain shows less brain cells, particularly in the temporal lobe, which is responsible for memory.
The symptoms of Alzheimer's include memory loss, difficulty performing functions requiring deeper thought, difficulty completing daily tasks, misplacing objects, and changes in mood or personality.
More than 5 million Americans have Alzheimer's.
Alzheimer's is the sixth leading cause of death in the U.S.
1 in 6 women in their 60s will contract Alzheimer's, higher than breast cancer, which is 1 in 11.
Alzheimer's begins to damage the brain up to 20 years before any symptoms are present.
CDK5, an enzyme abundant only in the brains of those who have Alzheimer's, is triggered by beta amyloid peptides, causing the enzyme to be modified by S-nitrosylation, a process in which nitric oxide is attached to the enzyme, producing SNO-CDK5. SNO-CDK5 attaches to the protein DRP1, used for mitochondrial fission, which damages mitochondria in nerve cells. This decreases the energy available to sustain synapses, which results in a loss of memory and cognitive skills. There are globs of proteins made up of beta amyloid peptide present in the brains of those who have Alzheimer's, which interrupt cognitive functions. In healthy brains, this mutation does not occur, enabling the mitochondria to produce enough ATP to sustain the nerve cells.
Currently, there is no cure for Alzheimer's. There are treatments, drug and non-drug, aimed at regulating mood changes, memory loss, and sleep changes. Currently, the 2 types of drugs used to treat memory loss are cholinesterase inhibitors and memantine. Cholinesterase inhibitors, such as Aricept, Exelon, and Razodine, help prevent the breakdown of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter important to learning and memory. Acetylcholine is synthesized from acetyl-CoA. Cholinesterase inhibitors are used to treat early stages of Alzheimer's. Later stages of Alzheimer's are treated with memantine, which regulates glutamine, a chemical in the brain that helps with learning and memory, but can be toxic in large amounts.